Hello, it's Andy here, Training the Right Way, and I'm going to be discussing this app. This is my series, my short series, my verdict, giving my verdict on apps and things like that, and it's crashed again. I have to get this application going, so you have to bear with me a second while I get it back up. But we're going to be talking about apps and things, apps, software, services, websites, giving my verdict of how it works. Now, so far in the series we've had Fiverr. I'm going to be doing other ones, but obviously the applications here on the phone, on your website, whatever. This one, Fiverr, is on both app and PC. So if you want to see that's another video I've done. But this one is TFL GO. Now here's the app. Finally, we've got it up and running. This is basically a screen. It's a screen before it, but you basically come onto the screen. I used it this morning. It's very good. Obviously, I'm not in London at the moment, but I did manage to discover that I wanted to go somewhere. It says current location, but we're not there. So we're going to do we go to Paddington. Go now, no. So I want to swap these over. Swap them over. I want to go to here. No, not off. I'm not. It's because it's trying to find out where I am. I want to go to Gloucester Road, because there's an event there, so I want to see that. And then we're going to go step 3 to vehicle. So you will find that this is very useful for people with wheelchairs and me, my mobility scooter, because I would obviously need to have step 3 to the vehicle. Okay, so again, step 3 to the platform, but then you have the gap. So whether you can get over the gap or not. But you can see here that I could, in actual fact, go on the circle line. But can I get off at Gloucester Road? I don't know. You see here, it gives you the directions. So you're going to go on to the Underground, Hammersmith and City lines, 8 stops, and you can list the stops so you know it's working. There we are. There's the stops that you'll be going past. And then obviously when you get to Hammersmith, you get off, and you're going to walk a little bit. Well, not walk, but ride. Then get on a bus and go on the bus. It tells you what bus, it tells you the number and the stop. And then it will give you when it works. It's not working, there we are, that's it. Gives you the various places that you'll go past. Then you get off at Warwick Gardens, I presume, and oh no, you go past there, yes, and then go to another bus, which is bus 49, 8 stops, and then you get to Gloucester Road station, and it drops you outside the railway station, presumably. It's not a bus station, I don't think. Well, it could be, I don't know for sure. But that is my journey with step-by-step instructions, and it tells you roughly how long it's going to take, and the blue symbol is obviously step 3 to the train or to the vehicle. Buses in London are accessible, but there's only one space, so it will obviously be a big fight. Alternative, you've got the buses only there, which is 41 minutes. Travel options, so that you can select the options that you want to have to see. So if you're not worried about getting on the train, like there's a gap, whatever, you're happy with that gap, then step 3 to platform rather than step 3 to train. Or you can say that you only want to use escalators, not stairs. Step 3 mode is on, so all my routes to my destination will be step 3. So this is a brilliant app, I have to say. I am very, very impressed with the actual running of it. And there's actually a map, so you can see where you're going. So yeah, I am, well, what's my verdict? It's a 9 out of 10. I wish it would be slightly easier to use. In fact, I could plan a journey, put A and B in. I know I did it eventually, but it was just click here, click there, and it was just a bit of a pain in the bum. Now, presumably, if I was in London and it would pick up my current location, then it would be slightly easier for me to use. But at the moment, I'm 88 miles away, so it's going to be a bit difficult to pick me up where I am. But the app itself, TFL GO, I can recommend it. And if you are a wheelchair user in London, and there it goes again, it's just crashed off. Yeah, I can recommend it. So that's it. Let me know if you have used it. Let me know. Tell me what you think. Right, I'll see you soon for another one. This is a very short series. What's my verdict? I've got lots of verdicts, and I've got another one coming, which is going to be Udemy. Yes, I'm going to talk about that one next. Have a good day. See you soon. Bye for now.